Hello, my subscribers and viewers. Welcome to this channel. So, I want to quickly show us how to bookmark a website. Maybe you are browsing and maybe there is a site that you opened and you wouldn't want to lose that site. So the best option is to bookmark that site so that you can easily access it whenever you want. So I'm going to quickly head on to the video so that I won't waste much time. It's going to be a quick video. So simply head on to your Chrome browser. So let me say I want to bookmark this website. This is a new site. So how I'm going to do that is that please before you bookmark a site, you must first of all sign in into your you must first of all sign in with your email in Chrome. So you must sign in before you can be able to do that, because one thing about bookmark is that once you bookmark it, even if you take it to another system or device or PC, any other phone, and you log in into your account in Chrome browser, it will open up everything that you have bookmarked the same way it is, so you won't lose anything. So if you want to sign in, just go to your settings. From there, just click on the three dots at your top right. Just click on your settings. From there, you see the option there. You now sign in with your email account. I won't dive into it because that's not what I have to do, and I don't want to also expose my email. So you just once you click on settings, you see the email sign-in option there. You now sign in into your email account using your Gmail account. So now after that, you can now bookmark whatever site you want to bookmark. So from here now, if I want to bookmark this site, so I'll quickly click on the three dots at the top right again. Then from there, you now see that star shape icon. You see the star shape icon. So that star shape icon represents bookmark. You simply click on it and it will now be colored. You see bookmarked. It has been bookmarked. As you can see now, it has now been colored blue. So that this shows that this site or web page has been bookmarked. And so if I want to see the bookmark, so I'll quickly click on the three dots at the top right again, then head on to bookmarks. Now from here, now you now see mobile bookmarks, bookmark bar. I'm going to click on mobile bookmarks because I did it on Android, so it's going to be saved there. Then I'll now scroll down. That's where it is. As you can see, here is what I bookmarked. So you see it is now the last. That's the one I bookmarked, but I'm going to delete it because I don't need it. So I'll quickly just click and hold. So after clicking and holding, I will delete. So I've deleted the bookmark. So that's how you create a book. You can bookmark a website or whatever web page that you want to bookmark, and save it for later access or easy access. So with this, we have come to the end of this tutorial. So I hope it was helpful. So remember, what we did today was showing you how to bookmark a website. So it's very easy to do. You can quickly head on to your Chrome browser and apply this, and you see that you will be able to start bookmarking your favorite websites. So thank you for staying to the end of this video. Have a nice day.